Stanislav, is it possible to prove the origin of the funds using cryptocurrencies? All right, guys, today I'm going to address this issue, and also you will know how to get a free evaluation of your case on investment visas. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today we're discussing the proof of funds for the visas E2 and EB-5 to prove the origin of the funds. But before we begin, let's remember what does it actually mean to get the E2 or EB-5 visa approved. Let's begin with E2. This is a non-immigrant visa that allows you unlimited stay in the US, of course with extensions, as long as your business is bringing economic activity, which means hiring a few people and being profitable, okay? So what does it give you? It gives you the right to bring the family. Your spouse will be able to work anywhere in the US, your kids will be able to go to school, and you will be the one to take care, control, and direct your E2 business. We need to show an investment of $100,000 into startup or into purchasing an existing business. So as long as we have all this and business plan for the new business, of course, then we will be approved. EB-5, on the other hand, is the immigrant visa, which means that when you get that approved, you are getting a green card. And who's getting the green card? You, your spouse, and kids below 21 who are not married. So the same concept as E2, but E2 is non-immigrant and EB-5 is a green card. Now, EB-5 is split in two major sub-programs: passive investment and active investment. In the passive investment, you actually loan $800,000 to so-called regional center. The regional center is the US developers, usually the private companies that were accredited by the US government to actually accept that money. And you are giving them that money for about 5 years as a loan. You get a little interest payment on that. And when they complete the project, you get the money back once your second green card is approved. You don't need to create any jobs in the EB-5 passive investment because this concept is being taken care of by the regional center. On the other hand is EB-5 active investment, where you invest $1,050,000 into new enterprise. And guys, again, I'm simplifying, there is more to this, but I just need you to understand and remember those programs. So in active investment, you don't give your money to no one, you're the one who controls and directs those monies. But also you have to be the one to create the 10 jobs in the business within 2 years after the approval of the first green card. Okay, so the first green card is temporary, it's conditional. The second one is permanent, but we have to show the 10 jobs. In the passive investment, the regional center creates those jobs. In the active investment, you're the one who does that. What's common for both of those visas? The origin of the funds. We have to prove conclusively to USCIS that you made the money legally. I've been giving you a lot of methods and methodology how to prove those funds. You guys can watch a lot of my videos on this topic on my YouTube channel. By the way, smash the subscribe button not to miss the future fresh videos about the changes in the law and also programs like investment visas and talent visas. Now, Stanislav, can I prove the origin of the funds using the cryptocurrencies? And this is a great question, guys. I love it. And you know, I'm a big fan of cryptocurrencies and you know, more of a Bitcoin. I do believe there's a Bitcoin and everything else, but I know some of you like, hey, Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin, whatever you guys like, that's up to you. But I know you can make money on that, right? So now the question is, can we use the proceeds from the sale of cryptocurrencies and fund your businesses or investments through those sales? And the answer to this question is absolutely yes. Not only the US government already openly recognizes the stablecoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, unfortunately Cardano, and some other coins, all right? And the bunch of others, like XRP, probably also a part of it. I think those are all scam coins, but again, guys, this is not a video about that. Again, selling those coins to make money is totally legal as long as we can show what money did you use to purchase those cryptocurrencies, whenever it was, 10 years ago, 5, 2, 3, 1 month ago. So that money that you used should also be clean money from your salary, from your dividends, from your inheritance, from the gift, from your loan, anything. And you pay the taxes on that if you had to. Now, you purchasing these coins on KYC ALM cryptocurrency exchange, like Kraken, the KuCoin, Bybit, Coinbase, whatever works for you in your country. So those that actually check who you are and what you do for living, and also the sale of those cryptocurrencies also through the licensed exchange in your country. And of course, we have to show that you paid taxes on those proceeds, unless you just did that sale and the proceeds are being taxed the next year. Then we have to just explain, hey, it's this year's sale and we're gonna do it next year, so when time is good, we can provide that paperwork. So that's pretty much the easiest way to show that this is a legit transaction, legit origin of the funds. And I have cases in my career where I was showing that. One thing that may come up, and kind of serious thing during those filings, and this is how to prove the ownership of the cryptocurrency wallet that you used. And before I answer this question, guys, get the free evaluation. The link is down below this video. And this is the easy way for you to understand the chances, the type of visa that is good for you, what criteria you satisfy, and whether you have a potential in your case for 6 months working with my team to get an approval with 90% chance or even more. Okay, so get the free evaluation right now and know your chances within 2 days. Now, the ownership of the cryptocurrency wallet. If you held all your coins on the cryptocurrency exchange, which of course you should not do ever, but some of you do, this is the easiest way, right? So all we need to prove that this is your account. It's easy with screenshots and some documentation from those exchanges and showing the transactions on the blockchain that you purchased a year ago, the price was that. Now you sold it, the price was that. Here's the difference, pam, pam, pam. You paid the taxes if you had to. And here's you wired your money from the cryptocurrency exchange to your bank account, okay? And by the way, I prefer you use a fresh bank account for the transactions back to your bank account, so we don't have any other transactions to deal with. Now, what if you send the coins to the cold wallet and the immigration officer questions whether you actually own that cold wallet? Again, you and me, we know if it's the same wallet, you send a transaction there, you send it back, obviously that's yours. But, not everybody's smart as you are. So I kind of created, and you guys heard it first here, I created this method. What do you do? Effectively, I want you to leave a little bit of whatever coins was on that cold wallet, and we're going to put in the petition, in memorandum, the following. Let's say today's whatever, September 1st of 2025, and we're filing the petition. But in the petition, we're going to say, hey, on September 5th, around this time, this much of that coin is going to be transferred. It doesn't matter where. So we're basically showing to the immigration officer that the transaction in a certain amount from the particular wallet is going to happen in the future from the today's perspective. So of course, when they look at the case, that date was already passed, but if they send an RFE or some request for whatever they want to send us, like, hey, questioning those things, we will show them the blockchain transaction, the hash on that future transaction from the past. You loved it, guys. Those of you who understand, you loved it, huh? Smash the like button if you loved this idea. And I've done it already, okay? Looks really cool. It's like going back in the future and going in the back. Really nice concept. So that's how we're gonna tackle that issue. Everything else is more technical, transferring this money to the company, no problem. That's easy from the standpoint of the back. Now guys, don't forget, the free evaluation is the way to go to get such a creative and original attorney like me review your case for free. That would be great. So free evaluation right now. Wait for about 2 days, I'll get back to you. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel not to miss the following videos just like that or even more. Also, I have Telegram, Instagram, and other social media platforms where I put the exclusive content. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.